Hello everyone. So today we are going to give our luggage in the railway station because we have a wedding coming soon, and the flight rules are that you're not supposed to carry more than 15 kgs. So over here we are packing our clothes, and this is how you need to do it. If you send it through bags or suitcase, the railway department won't accept it. So you have to cover it up with the tape and use cardboard box. So this is what we are doing it over here, and the railway station is not nearby to our home. It's quite far, so it takes a lot of time to reach there. So this is the first time that we are sending our stuff through train, because of this pandemic which happened recently, the corona. And because of this we are supposed to send all our stuff through train, and the flight people told us that you're not supposed to carry more than one bag. So this is a big problem to many of us. So now the packing is almost done. We've just packed one box because in the other box we need to put the bill. So we're going to pack the other box in the station. So everything is done. We just need to go now. So the box is not that heavy. So right now the time is 11 o'clock. I think we'll reach there by 12 or 12:15 because the station is quite far from here. And now the rules have become so strict that if you don't wear your mask, the police checking is going on so strict. For each and every 5 minutes the checking is going on in the road. And as you can see, our Bangalore traffic has started and everything has come back to normal. So the railway station is in Majestic. If the traffic is not there, we'll reach there by 1 hour, and if traffic is there, I think it will take about 2 hours to reach there. And this is Bangalore traffic, it's always horrible. And towards right you see is the Kantirava Stadium, and this one is the indoor stadium. And we just entered the railway station. So this is the South Western Railway Station, and this is located in Majestic. And from here we have to ask someone that where is the parcel station. So we are just searching.
ಮೇಡಮ್ ಪಾರ್ಸಲ್ ಆಫೀಸ್ ಎಲ್ಲಿದೆ? ಓಕೆ, ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಯು.
And we just entered the parcel office. So you can see there are so many tempos over here. They are fully loaded. I think we need to go a little bit front. So this is the parcel office, and Dad is going inside to ask what are the procedures. Told that there are few procedures to do that. They need some Aadhaar card xerox. So Dad just went to take his ID xerox, and then we'll give our boxes there. I'll show you what is inside. So once it is done, we'll go back. And today it started raining as always. So it is very cloudy today, and I just went out to give my Aadhaar card.
Yeah, ముందుగా
So this is how they send their packages. They just keep it in the cardboard box, and then they send it to any states they want. It is taking a lot of time over here because the procedure is little long. So Dad went to get his ID card xerox. It's taking so long over here. So Dad is coming. I think now we'll be going inside to give our box.
విమలా నీకు కూడా చేసేస్తుంది వేసి
వాళ్ళంతా నేను మనం ఇంకా వెళ్ళిపోతాం.
కిటికీలు వేసాం కదా నేను వేసాను రా మళ్ళీ పార్సల్ ఆఫీస్లో తీస్తానులే పడిపోయినా చేసిన మనం.
So now we're taking our boxes inside. Dad just took the other one and I'm taking the another one. So the one which I'm taking is unpacked, so we have to pack it inside. And this is how the parcel office looks inside. It is totally crowded with so many people and there is so much of packages over here and everything is going to get loaded in the train now. And over here we have to write our address in the box so that they don't get confused. And after writing your address, phone number, and if it is domestic or what, and then from which place to which place, you have to give your box for checking the weight, so that depending on your weight they will charge you. And over here these are the trains in which your packages will go. So over here they are loading the packages. So our box weight is getting checked over here and the price was not at all costly. It was so cheap when compared to bus. And before giving the box we have to fill a form. So we just fill the form and we have to give the form to the person who's sitting there. So now our luggages will be finally sent to Visakhapatnam. So now the time is 1 o'clock and it took almost 1.5 hours to finish our work inside. So now we are heading back to home. So just finished our work over here and they took a lot of time over here, but I think it will reach there by Friday. So our luggage will be there in Visakhapatnam by Friday. So there's no problem when we go through flight. So this was a simple vlog. Hope you all guys loved this vlog and we'll meet you soon on the next vlog. Until then, take care and stay safe.